Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are walking by 7 Miles Bull Bay. That's the Southern Coastal Highway on the left. This is the sidewalk that you would walk on for the highway. Now I'm trying to figure out what title to use for this video. I just can't think of a title. Guys, walk with us and leave the name, a title for this video in the comments below. Now look at this. This is the pavement, Suppose it's night. How are you going to see this? There's no orange cone, nothing. No, we're in the road. We're in the road to go around it because it's not of how the walkway is. There's no orange barricade, not even a cone, nothing. I don't need to ask. I know this could never happen in the US or Canada or the UK. Now look at this. Same thing again. But it gets better. See, we'll have to go in the road again. This is a highway. You think that's bad? This is why I can't think of a title for this video. I don't know. I don't know how to title this video. We were driving by and I saw it. I couldn't believe it. I had to literally come out of the car and walk. Now look at this. The least you could do is barricade it off. What is preventing somebody from dropping in there when they're walking? Especially at night. I don't know if the street lights are installed in this area yet. I don't know who is responsible. We did a video with the access roads the other day. I think it was yesterday it went up. And some people are saying China Harbour is responsible for building the road. The access roads would be NWA or Parish Council. So I'm asking you guys, who is responsible for this? Mark you? Okay, it's a work in progress, but you have to put up some sort of barricade around this to prevent somebody from just walking and dropping in here, especially at night. Children, school children, will be walking on this street to go to school and back. Or maybe they'll use the other side, I don't know, but I don't know, it just doesn't seem right. Just to have it like this on the pedestrian, on the walkway, the sidewalk. And I know this one is going to be a tall order, but because that's the ocean over there. There's nothing stopping a car from running off the road and going into the ocean or hitting somebody on the sidewalk. But that is something that most roads probably have an issue with. But let's go back to the that one down there, and let's look at that one again because it really is. We're going to go back down there. I just cannot believe they left the road like this. This. I can't believe it. This is a sidewalk. The road is fine. The road is open. But this is a sidewalk. Okay, it's a work in progress. You notice no work is being done here today on this side. But at least put up some security things so that people don't get injured. Even if it's an orange cone, something, plyboard, something to seal it off. Because that is literally the sidewalk. Alright guys, let us know what you think about this. This is by 7 Miles in Bull Bay, St. Andrew. Remember, Bull Bay is in both St. Andrew and St. Thomas. And you can see it looks like they're building a park. Very nice, great. But I think something more should be done, especially for the pedestrians. I've heard people have left comments to say that this highway is not pedestrian friendly, basically. And I think I realized what they were getting at now. Alright, guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. And if you live outside of Jamaica, you think they could do something like this? Please give us your feedback, give us your comments. And then to add insult to injury, those are nails. So let's say you accidentally drop in here because you probably didn't see it. This plyboard has nails sticking out. I don't know who is responsible for this, but I think they can do better. Guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys. Have a good day.